One mistake in the USA can cost you $10,000. Even a small emergency can destroy your travel budget, and most tourists choose the wrong insurance. If you're going to the USA, watch this before it's too late. The USA is one of the most visited countries in the world. Millions of tourists travel every year, but medical costs are extremely high. Many travelers think insurance is optional. They believe nothing will happen. This is a dangerous mistake. Healthcare in the USA is very advanced, but it is also the most expensive. Tourists must pay full cost. A simple doctor visit can cost $150 to $400. Emergency room visits can go above $3,000. Costs increase very fast. Ambulance services are extremely expensive. Even short trips can cost $1,000. Many travelers are shocked. Hospital stays can cost thousands per day. ICU charges are even higher. Bills can reach $10,000 easily. Many travelers choose cheap insurance. They focus only on saving money. This creates big risks. Cheap plans have low coverage. Serious treatments are not included. This leads to financial loss. Pre-existing conditions are usually excluded. Many people ignore this. Claims often get rejected. Emergency evacuation is very expensive. Air ambulance can cost tens of thousands. Good insurance covers this. Cashless treatment is very important. It allows direct hospital billing. This reduces stress. Without cashless service, you pay upfront, then claim reimbursement. This process takes time. Claim process should be simple. Complex claims cause problems. Choose reliable providers. 24/7 support is essential. Emergencies can happen anytime. Immediate help is critical. Network hospitals make treatment easier. You get faster service. Always check before buying. Travel delays can create extra costs. Flights may be canceled. Insurance helps cover expenses. Baggage loss is another issue. Valuable items can disappear. Good insurance protects you. A tourist in New York had a minor accident. He was taken to the emergency room. Doctors performed basic tests. He stayed only a few hours, but the total bill reached $10,000. He was completely shocked. His insurance plan was very cheap. It covered only a small amount. He paid most of the bill himself. This situation happens often. Many travelers face this problem. Poor insurance choice is the reason. Choosing the right insurance is very important. Do not focus only on price. Focus on coverage. Always check coverage limits. USA requires high coverage plans. Minimum is not enough. Read the policy carefully. Hidden terms affect claims. Awareness is key. Check exclusions before buying. This prevents surprises. It improves decisions. Family travelers need strong coverage. Medical risks affect everyone. Protection is necessary. Senior travelers need special plans. Their risk is higher. Basic plans are not enough. Students and visitors must plan carefully. Emergencies can happen anytime. Insurance is essential. Travel insurance protects your money. It gives peace of mind. It ensures safe travel. The USA is a great destination, but medical costs are extreme. Insurance is your safety net. Smart travelers prepare in advance. They avoid financial risk. They stay protected. Travel insurance is not an expense. It is an investment. It saves you from big losses. Many travelers regret ignoring insurance. They face problems later, learn from others. One mistake can cost you $10,000. Do not ignore insurance. Make smart decisions. Always choose trusted insurance providers. This ensures smooth claims. It saves time. Remember this simple rule. Cheap insurance becomes expensive later. Always choose wisely.